Hi, welcome to Awakening Soul Truth. I'm Allison Ledbetter and this is Robbie Short. And we are here to ignite and inspire conversation of self-healing and awakening. We are both meditation teachers and Reiki masters. And she is a yogi and I am a medium. Today, we are only going to focus on meditation. It is a metta meditation.
Metta is a term that is very similar and almost a synonym to something called Maitri. And the last video we produced was about radical self-acceptance. So Maitri is often referred to as radical self-acceptance, but the true meaning is loving kindness. And Metta also means loving kindness. So the point of this meditation is to really be in your light and to spread that light. Within that light is loving kindness. So we're going to go into that meditation, and I'm going to invite you to sit where you have both feet actually firmly planted on the floor. So if you are in a piece of furniture where your feet are kind of dangling, please scoot to the edge so that you can really ground down. Rest your palms on your lap. Extend your spine and close your eyes. And take a few moments just to breathe in and out. Experiencing this universal law within the body that everything expands, also contracts. So feel your lungs expanding as they fill up with air. And then also allow that air to escape. And allow the observance and the control of your breath to help you to come back down into your body, down into your heart space. In fact, go ahead and take your hands and rest lightly over your heart, feeling the chest rise and fall. Maybe even feeling the heartbeat. And then I want you to gaze in and up to your mind's eye as if you're looking off into the horizon. And I want you to picture yourself standing in a ring of light. And then say internally, affirming, I am healthy, I am happy, I am safe and at peace. I am healthy, I am happy, I am safe and at peace. And now you can rest your hands back on your lap. And now I want you to picture inside this circle of light a family member, a dear loved one that you love with all of your heart. See them with clarity. See them glowing and being penetrated by this light and affirming, may you be healthy. May you be happy. May you be safe and at peace. I release you back to your true light. Allow that person or group of people to fade out. And now invite a friend, someone you depend on, someone who's always there to support you. Picture them encircled with light. May you be healthy. May you be happy. May you be safe and at peace. I release you to be infused by your own light. And now picture someone surrounded by this light that you know, but maybe don't know so well. Maybe it's the person who always checks you out at your local grocery store. Maybe a neighbor that lives down the street that you wave at or speak to. Whoever that is, surround them with light. May you be healthy. May you be happy. May you be safe and at peace. I release you to your true light. And the next person or group of people that I would like you to invite in is someone that you may have trouble with, difficulty with, disgruntled by. Some sort of adversity is standing in the way. And this one may be a little bit harder to picture. And if you have a hard time picturing them in their full form, maybe imagine them as an infant or child. Surround them with light and see their light. May you be healthy. May you be happy. May you be safe and at peace. I release you to your authentic light. And then let's go ahead and broaden this picture. And I would like you to place the planet within the circle of light. This way, you're sending it to the whole world, across land and sea, despite any political or religious differences or ideology. Surround it with light. May we all be healthy. May we all be happy. May we all be safe and at peace. And may we unify our light.
What a powerful meditation. Thank you. I was picturing Hamas, and I was thrilled when you said picture them as children, because everyone, including Christianity, including whatever religion you're involved in, has been indoctrinated into a system.
Yeah.
But when it comes down to it, when we're children, we know love. There is that deep potential inside of us that is pure and honest, and that's your soul's connection to the light. Hold that space. Thank you for reminding us that we can picture the people that are bringing harm as children, because they learn to bring harm.
And you can see their innocence that way.
Absolutely. It's wonderful. See the innocence and the divine in each other. Please remember that we must honor each individual path to the divine. Everyone has a source of light. Thank you for joining us.
Namaste.